We always try to look our best, right? But with all our busy lives, it's not always that easy. Keeping our nails looking their best can be especially challenging because we're always using our hands. It can be a struggle to always keep them clean, healthy, and manicured. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all my tips on how to make your nails look their best. But before I do that, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button down below, and then you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. It doesn't cost a thing, and it really helps my channel grow. Now let's get into the video. Hi, I'm Polly G. Welcome to Fashion with Me. My channel focuses on always striving to look your best and staying well groomed, and nails are no exception. In fact, keeping your nails looking healthy and well manicured is one of the most important things you can do to look well groomed and put together. The first thing I want to mention, and the one that I think is the most important, is to always keep your nails the same length. Nothing looks worse, in my opinion, than having broken nails or nails that are all different lengths. If you're someone who likes to keep your nails a little bit on the longer side and one of those nails breaks, cut or file the rest of your nails down to the length of that broken nail so that they're always the same length. Having nails that are all different lengths does not make you look well groomed, and it can even give off the vibe that you have poor hygiene, and nobody wants that. The next thing I want to mention to always keeping your nails looking well groomed is to never have chipped nail polish. One thing I like to do and recommend to help prolong your manicure is to wear gloves. I wear gloves washing dishes or cleaning the house or doing yard work. Wearing gloves will definitely help prolong your manicure and prevent chipping. Also, if you're someone who likes to go to the nail salon to have your nails done, one thing I do and highly recommend is that you bring your own nail polish with you. That way, if it chips, you always have that nail polish on hand to touch up your nail polish. Touching up your nail polish will help it not be so noticeable until you have a chance to redo your nails. Keep in mind though, that touching up your nail polish is not a complete fix, but it will get you through a day or two until you have time to do a complete polish change. Once your nail polish starts to chip, you want to remove that nail polish as soon as possible and start over. Another way to help nail polish not look so obvious when it's chipped is to wear a light color nail polish. Using a lighter color nail polish will draw less attention to a chipped nail than a bright or a darker color will. Now, if you're someone who likes to do your own manicures like I do on occasion, I have a few tips and tricks that you can try as well. First, to keep your nails as strong and healthy as possible, I use this hard as nails nail polish for a base coat. I also brush it along the edge of my nail and underneath to get a little bit of extra strengthening. This product is great to prevent your nails from cracking or breaking. If I do find that one of my nails is starting to crack, the second tip I have is to use nail glue. This tip is great if your nail is just starting to crack. For me, it usually starts on the side of my nail. I find using nail glue will help mend the nail and stop it from breaking any further. In this demonstration, I already had nail polish on when my nail started to crack. So as you can see, you can use the glue with or without nail polish. Any nail glue will work for this, but I find this brush-on nail glue works best because it's so easy to apply. When using this glue, I also suggest that you file your nail down a little bit to build up a little bit of residue so that the glue has something to adhere to. Once it dries, and it doesn't take long at all, just buff it out until you get a nice smooth finish. You can always touch up your nail polish over that as well if you have nail polish on. This can really help save your nail from breaking any further, and then when it grows out a little bit, you can file it down later on. If you are interested in this product, I will leave a link in the description box down below. Always remember though, if your nail has broken too far and cannot be saved, just cut it down and file all the rest of your nails down and start over. The third tip I have when doing your own nails is to keep an angled liner brush handy along with some extra nail polish remover. That way, if you get a little bit of nail polish on your skin, you can easily clean it up and wipe it away. I do recommend that you wait a few minutes to let your nail polish dry so that you don't smudge when you are wiping away any excess. All you have to do is dip that liner brush in a little bit of the nail polish remover, dab off any excess, and then clean up the polish that got onto your skin. Easy peasy. Top it off with a quick setting top coat and you're good to go. I use a quick setting top coat from Essie. It dries in about 2 minutes and it works great and no smudging. The next tip I have and highly recommend is to use a cuticle oil on a regular basis. Again, you can apply this with or without nail polish. Cuticle oil will keep your nails strong, help them grow, and keep them healthy looking. I found this great product from Amazon. It's a nail pen nutrition oil treatment. This cuticle pen is perfect for nourishing and maintaining healthy nails. For I think around $7, you get 6 pens with 6 different flavors. I always keep one in my handbag and apply it whenever I feel I need it. My cuticles tend to get very dry, so I use it about 3 to 4 times a week. The ingredients are mild, skin friendly, so no side effects to worry about, and it totally helps to protect your nails. Since I have started using this product, I have seen a big difference in the strength and appearance of my nails. I will leave a link in the description box down below if you'd like to check it out. Another great way to prolong your manicure and prevent chipping is to get gel manicures. Now, depending on your budget, gel manicures can get expensive if you did it on a regular basis. So I only recommend getting gel manicures if you don't have the budget for it, when you know you're going to be somewhere where you're not going to be able to do a quick polish change if your nail polish started to chip. For that reason, I always get gel manicures before I go on vacation. Gel manicures can last up to 2 weeks without chipping, and they can even prevent your nails from breaking. So if you're going away or you're just going to be somewhere where you're not going to be able to change your nail polish, I highly recommend gel manicures. I do want to mention though, if you do get a gel manicure, make sure you're going to a reputable salon. I have found that some salons don't do gel manicures properly and can actually damage your nails. Especially when they go to remove the gel nail polish, make sure they're not using anything sharp to take the nail polish off with. It should come off pretty easily anyways, but if they do need to scrape it a little bit, make sure they're not using anything sharp. Make sure they're using something dull like a cuticle pusher or something like that to scrape off any leftover gel, because it really can damage your nails. So that's just something to keep in mind if you do decide to get a gel manicure. Now, my last tip to help your nails always look their best is to use press-on nails. Press-on nails come in really handy when you are pressed for time. The ones I use and find the easiest to apply are these press-on nails by Kiss. I think you can get them for around $8 or less depending on where you buy them. They have several lengths to choose from and they come in several different colors. I prefer to use the shorter length because I find that they stay on the longest. When applying the nails, you just want to find the nail that fits your nail bed size the best. No glue is needed, and all you have to do is pull off that little tab on the back, put it on your nail, and press. It's that simple. Just make sure your nails are nice and clean before applying the nails, and they should stay on for about a week. You can shower with them, wash dishes with them, do whatever you need to do, and they stay on perfectly. But if one does come off, all you have to do is put another one on. So those are all my tips to helping you make your nails look their best. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I would really love it if you would check out some of the other videos I have uploaded recently. And if you want to leave me any suggestions or comments down below, I really appreciate that as well. I hope to see you in my next video, but in the meantime, always remember, keep it classy, keep it stylish, and always be your best self. Bye.